Toughbook don't make ordinary computers. We actually make computers that are designed to go where actually people have traditionally never had computing access. It's been too difficult. The situations have either been too rugged, so too hot or wet or dusty, or maybe they found it difficult to get network access wirelessly. We call these access barriers, something that's stopping a user who's never had access to applications and data from accessing them. And what we do at Toughbook is we overcome those.
Toughbook is like a 21st century toolbox. We have so many tools like RFID, barcode reader, camera, so many different tools that help us have people in the field capture data so that they can do more tasks and in a more fast way and also in a more efficient way with less errors, increasing productivity and efficiency.
Panasonic Toughbooks are not standard laptops. They are mobile devices you can use in extreme environments. They are shock resistant, dust and water resistant, and they are powered with extended indoor and outdoor communication tools. They can be integrated in any communication environment, your existing environment or the future environment you will have in the next years. Those devices are especially designed for handheld use. They have a long battery operating time, they are light. They are specifically designed to be used at hand.
Also using integral GPS, this allows the work to be completed in a shorter time by directing the worker to a geolocation.
We have the best connectivity in the market. Mobile telephones have the same connectivity as our laptops, so you can, in the worst situation, you can always connect and check any information online that you need to do that is key to perform your business.
Field technicians can also use the camera, using imaging and using video capture.
They are certainly ruggedized. They can drop and they're going to be much more resistant than any other laptop you can buy out there. They are a Panasonic Toughbook.
Generally, what we've seen is that our product, the Toughbook, has demonstrated over the course of the life of use to generate additional revenues, increase productivities, ultimately to increase morale within the workforce and to keep customers satisfied so they come back to these organizations again.
We define field technology as customer-facing business processes in the field, and we at Panasonic Toughbook, we provide solutions to these companies that help them increase their productivity, reduce their cost, and therefore work in a more efficient way.
Now, it's become increasingly difficult for organizations to differentiate themselves using computing. Everybody has PCs now. Everybody has laptops now. So they're kind of very difficult tools to use to differentiate your business. Toughbook is different. Imagine what you could do with your business if you could give that customer-facing field representative a computer that would allow them to help a customer at the customer using real-time data, outdoors, in bright sunlight. By giving this sort of computing access in these types of extremely challenging environments, we actually change completely the way businesses work. We change completely the experience that customers get, and it allows you to totally transform your business.
Well, asset management basically is ensuring that any asset, whether it's a building, it's an industrial plant, or any kind of asset, it's properly maintained, verified, and keep in a proper way. And if it needs to be repaired or there is any kind of fault, it's sorted out as fast as possible in the most efficient way.
And Toughbook is really is unique to be able to do this. It's a computerized tool that allows you to inspect and maintain your assets, many of which could be outdoors in tough environments, away from, say, traditional networks. It allows you to inspect and maintain them and make decisions at the point of asset maintenance. You can carry your documents with you. You can carry your maps. You can carry your technical drawings. You can read them in sunlight.
We have an excellent solution for sales workforce teams within the fast-moving consumer goods. It is a combination of features: lightweight, ruggedized, long battery life, the best connectivity, and the touchscreen. The touchscreen is also a specific feature that helps you increase your productivity, drives productivity. With one hand they hold the laptop, and with the other hand, thanks to the touchscreen, they can do a presentation or showing the new promotions or the new products. It helps you do it faster, it avoids errors. So combined with the lightweight and with the long battery life, it makes it the right choice.
In civil engineering design and survey, Toughbooks are used predominantly to take computer-aided design software to the point of work.
Engineers, technicians, architects, they need to be able to access their CAD drawings, their maps, their technical documentations while they are in the field.
One of the key benefits is being able to not only red circle CAD drawings, but also to potentially have the customer sign off the work, the design and the survey work, in situ. And in association to that, 3D modelling that can be applied by the design and survey organisation can also be taken to the customer in situ for perhaps amendments, giving a great visual representation of the design work that's been undertaken, and then again, potential sign-off. In addition, using Toughbook and using 3G, using wireless technology, the worker can complete their task, immediately confirm that that task is complete, which will in turn update back-office systems.
Intelligent delivery is really a revolutionary concept, which is also very aligned with the internet, for example, that traditionally you'd have a person going sequentially through a list, maybe visiting or delivering something off to a customer, but then you'd have a separate person going to maybe service something or sell something to the same customer. What intelligent delivery is about having one customer representative or one of your staff visiting that one customer and being able to do more than one thing.
But what else can that person do at that door? He's going to be calling on that door. Now it could be a range of services, and really Panasonic are looking at that market to say, look, the more capable device you have, the more effective that person can be. Instead of going back maybe 2 or 3 times with different people, how can we help you to make that visit more effective and more efficient?
Because you're online and because you're using a Toughbook solution, you can actually, it becomes a dynamic process. If you have something of higher priority in the middle of a day, you can reroute that person on a different route or make it more fuel efficient. You can add new jobs to them mid-route, and they have everything that they need in their hand to be able to go and help that customer in real time. And that results in huge efficiency gains as well as much better customer satisfaction.
We took a client in the UK recently commented that they saved 10 million per annum on the solution that they put into their business. £10 million per year they are perceived to be saving. And not only are they saving money, they're also providing a better service to their customers. And that is a fundamental part of what we're trying to achieve at Panasonic. We're trying to ensure that we're providing a great product that enables them to deliver the service that they need to their clients based on our product reliability and really the right product for the right job.
Toughbook are the market leaders in our industry. Within Europe, we have 82% market share of the rugged market according to VDC. Really, no one else comes close. We're different for many reasons, and customers choose us because we only do rugged computing. That's all we do. We don't do anything else, and we've been doing it for the longest time. We came out with the first rugged computer over 13 years ago. And it's allowed us to build up a tremendous base of expertise, of technology, and of partners that can offer things such as mounting solutions or power or management solutions that are really best of breed for these types of very special environment. In these types of extreme environments which Toughbook excel in, you don't really want a novice. You don't really want a generalist. I would ask a climber, if you were going up to the top of Everest, would you want a Sherpa who has been trained in Nepal and lived in the Himalayas and knows those mountains inside out, or do you want an airport porter? That's the difference between Toughbook and traditional computer manufacturers.